everyone, welcome back, and to all those who are new to the channel, welcome. This is Shirin. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the products that I feel are best for the summer. So for all those who have been applying some kind of makeup on a daily basis, must be knowing that in summers it is very difficult to choose between the products that are best for you. So yes, these products are my summer essentials. So before we get into today's video, if you're new to my channel, make sure you join my YouTube family by subscribing to it and give this video a big thumbs up after watching it if you really like it. So let's begin. First thing that I'm going to start off with is sunscreen. I've seen many people saying that tanning is good for you, and if you say that tanning is bad, you are a racist. But for me and what all I've read, tanning is more than just changing the color. The tan you get on your face leads to wrinkles and aging. So no matter what, do not forget to apply sunscreen, especially in summers. Even if I'm at home doing nothing, I still make sure that I apply sunscreen because rays are entering our house too. For all those who are out all day long, should apply SPF 50 or 70. Before beginning with any kind of makeup, I usually start with applying Gulab gel. It is in spray form. It cleanses, moisturizes and refreshes the skin. Coming to the base, I have mentioned it in my previous videos too that this foundation, which is L'Oreal Matte Magique Talwar Bright Matte Foundation, is one of my favorites. But during winters, I do not apply this foundation because it leaves my skin very dry. But for summers, it is perfect because it gives matte finish to your skin. Honestly speaking, using a foundation on a daily basis is not practical, especially for the college going crowd. So for all those who go to college, I have something for you, which is Lakme 95cc cream. I have it in beige shade and it also has SPF 30. So the reason why I like it is that it is very light for the skin and it gives that matte finish too. For eye makeup, I love using Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. It is not only summers, but I use it the entire year. For eyeliner, I had been using the Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner from a very long time, but it wasn't that waterproof. Then I switched to Colorbar waterproof liquid eyeliner and I am in love with it. Be it summers or monsoons, it stays on the eyes until and unless you remove it with a makeup remover. The lips matte lipsticks are the best option. For that, you can also refer to my previous video. For cheeks, if you use Lip and Cheek Color by Lakme, it will work wonders for you because it will stay on your face for the longest time. For summers and monsoon, our hair tend to become very oily and greasy easily. So for that, I have the dry shampoo in the flavor cherry that I bought from Nykaa. So I realized the importance of using a face mist after using it. So a good face mist makes sure that your face is hydrated and moisturized after applying the makeup, and it also makes sure that it stays on your face for the maximum time. There are other affordable options by NYX, Miss Claire or Makeup Revolution, which I will link in the description box below. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Also comment below if you have any product recommendation or what you feel about today's video. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.